I'm Bob Riley, Senior Vice President, Exhibition Sales for GES. I'm basically the primary account manager for all of AMT's needs when we do IMTS in September. Several years ago in 2006, we developed and implemented the custom block package program along with AMT, and I think that's really simplified things for exhibitors. I think it's provided cost certainty and some protection against escalating rate increases for different labor categories for installing the machinery at IMTS. So an exhibitor divides their total weight of all their freight divided by the square footage of their booth to get that weight per square foot, and then they fall in that block range. So it gives them some flexibility if they want to add a little bit more display or bring another machine. They could possibly do that and stay within the same block and not increase their overall costs that they're paying for the show. But if you have that weight information correctly, then it's just communicating, getting your orders in on time for your carpet and the different furnishing and things like that you need, hitting those deadlines. But having a good estimate on that freight weight is really the key. Generally, our deadlines range from about 30 days out, 21 days out, and 14 days out. If you look inside the IMTS e-kit, there's deadline not only for GES but for all the official suppliers. And pay attention to those deadlines. We have some early ones for the custom block and getting carpet ordered because we have to in turn order that carpet from the mills. So that deadline's a little bit earlier. Basic furnishings and whatnot's probably about 14 or 21 days out. But we're anywhere from 30 days on in. You start hitting those deadlines, and then rates increase after that, so you really need to pay attention to those. Talk to us about your target date needs. That's real important because once those target dates go out in April, we get a lot of requests afterwards for changes. So if you're doing something different in your booth or unique, and you think you might have a special circumstance, start communicating early. You can communicate with us through the exhibitor e-kit, our contact numbers for both our National Service Center and then phone numbers for our service staff in Chicago. And again, we're doing several email campaigns and call campaigns, so chances are if you're not reaching out to us sometime in the near future, we'll be reaching out to you. Again, all we want is some good communication and to know what your plans are for the show.